If you've ever watched a money-making tutorial and thought, bruh, I don't even know where to start, pause everything and stay with me right here because in the next few minutes, I'm literally helping you set up the link that can pay you. Today, you're going to walk away with your first income asset online. Not motivation, not theory, a real link that pays real money. Now, before we do this, I want you to comment ready real quick so I know that you're locked in. More comments means YouTube blesses this video and it lets me see who's serious about getting that first sale. Go ahead, type ready. I'll wait 1 second. Cool. Listen, I did not start out knowing all this stuff. When I first got online, I was sitting in a Burger King using their Wi-Fi, hoping nobody noticed I dragged a whole desktop PC in there. I wasn't confident. I wasn't business-minded. I just wanted to stop feeling broke and stuck. And the only thing that gave me belief was that first sale. Not 10K a month, not a Lamborghini, just that first $7 that told me, yo, this might actually work. So if you're sitting there overthinking everything, breathe. We're going to keep this real simple. Right now, your goal isn't to build a business empire. It's to get proof. Proof that you can make money online, proof that you can do this, proof that your effort actually turns into dollars. So today is going to equal your first money link. No products to build, no tech headaches, no perfection trap. Just copy me, plug, send, and earn. And here's my payoff promise and why you need to stay. If you stay with me all the way through this video, by the end, you're going to have your own affiliate ID, your own custom commission link, a product already ready for you, and the exact link that pays you 40% per sale, meaning if someone buys through your link today, you get paid today. Deal? Cool. Now let's do it. Step 1, log into your free system.io account. And if you don't have one yet, pause this video. The link is going to be in the description and it's free. You're in? Bet. Step 2, you're going to get your affiliate ID. Inside system.io, I want you to follow me. Go to your dashboard, then the affiliate program, scroll down, and there it is. It looks something like this crazy number on your screen right now. Copy that number. That's your pay me code. Whenever someone buys through your link, that little ID tells system.io, send them the money. Simple. Step 3, turn your funnel into your commission link. And here's the page I'm going to give you. It should be popping up on your screen, and you can click it right now if you want. It's live. Now watch. All you do is add your ID at the end of this. And here's an example I'm going to show you right now. You're going to replace this part with that last part with yours. And boom, you just built your first income link. You see how simple that was? Now you're going to be able to earn 40% commissions on a $7 intro offer, $27 order bump, and even the upsells of $37 to $67. One person can earn you $20+ easy. And you didn't even have to build a website or a product, nothing. You just entered the game. Now, drop link ready in the comments once you've completed all of this. And if you didn't do it yet, rewind this video and just follow along. Winners take action. Spectators binge videos. You're here to win. Now, don't just stop here. Click the link in the description to officially join this bootcamp. And when you do that, you're also going to get daily emails with exact steps, copy and paste scripts, DM templates, more and community support, accountability, and a private tracker sheet. Remember, nobody wins this alone. We got to build together. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how to get clicks on your link, even if you've got no followers, no niche, and no confidence yet. And you won't have to chase people or feel salesy. This is about helping, not begging. So let's go get that first sale. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.